Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen, dear young people, and welcome to this news edition from the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education. Today, we have the following on our top stories. The Minister of Youth Affairs and Civic Education presided over the flag hoisting ceremony and inaugurated the stele, marking the renewal of civic responsibilities. In addition, MINJEC granted a solemn farewell audience to Katrina Nikoseni, Country Director of Peace Corps Cameroon. Stay with us as we explore these stories in more details right after this short break. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education held the traditional flag hoisting ceremony, followed by a minute of civic mindedness. The event was coupled with the inauguration of the MINJEC stele, symbolizing the national emblems and civic responsibilities. That was on Monday, the 26th of January 2026, at the esplanade of MINJEC's headquarters. Over to you, Huna Mahamadou Habib.
Following the flag hoisting and civic mindedness minute, Minister Mununa Futsu presided over the installation of the newly elected delegates of the staff for the central service of MINJEC. In his address, the minister emphasized the importance of civic mindedness and patriotism, urging both elected officials and staff to embody these values in their service. The presentation of election results was conducted by Viviane Awunzogu, head of Social Affairs Department.
Candidature indépendante, premier collège. Titulaire, M. Aïssi Abanda Eric. Suppléant, M. Tamba Théophile Désiré. Deuxième collège. Titulaire, Mme Mandem Mélanie. M. Ndongo Lucien Toussaint. Suppléant, Mme Genge Victorine Fagnu. Mme Ebelen Tepe. Pauline Elsie épouse Ndame.
As part of the efforts to revalorize the symbols and emblems of the Republic, MINJEC inaugurated a stele designed offered by Buzeko Vini, a physics student at the University of Chang. This young Cameroonian, supported by the government projects and programs, represents the dynamism and creativity of youth in the nation building.
The generation, they should remember that the Minister of Youth and Civic Education has always been doing much of things for youth, and so many of them have been benefit. And to remember that the President of the Republic His Excellency Mr. Paul Biya have always put youth in his far problems.
The event underscored the commitment of young people to civic mindedness, patriotism, and national development. In recognition of his dedication, Buzeko Vini was appointed ambassador of Pronec Reamos, receiving a framework document as a precursor to further support for his socio-economic integration.
The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education, under the authority of His Excellency Mununa Futsu, hosted a solemn farewell audience in honor of Katrina Nikoseni, Country Director of Peace Corps Cameroon, on Thursday, 22nd of January 2026. Juliet Longanko attended the audience and now reports.
The audience was organized within the framework of bilateral cooperation between the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education MINJEC and Peace Corps Cameroon. It provides an official platform to recognize the contribution of Mrs. Sene to the promotion of youth, volunteerism, civic engagement, and local development during a tenure.
En connaissance que véritablement cette coopération a pris de l'ampleur et la raison pour laquelle ce moment est également un moment de célébration, car quand on a accompli son devoir et de la plus belle manière, on ne peut que célébrer.
The audience was to formalize, salute the bilateral cooperation between MINJEC and Peace Corps Cameroon, provide an official framework for the exchange of best wish by both parties and to reaffirm the mutual commitment of both institutions to sustaining collaboration in favor of Cameroonian youth.
Peace Corps has collaborated with MINJEC during all 4 years that I've been here in Cameroon, and I wish him a strong collaboration with the person that will come after me. Peace Corps and MINJEC share a mission of engaging youth in service and volunteerism, and we strongly support the National Volunteer Program and all of the work MINJEC is doing.
The audience concludes in a climate of cordiality and mutual respect, reflecting the esteem accorded to Tristina Nicole Sene and the value placed on the continued partnership between the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education and Peace Corps Cameroon.
On Wednesday, 28th of January 2026, Mamadou Kamara, the newly appointed Regional Director for Central and East African at France Volunteer, paid a courtesy visit to Mununa Futu, Cameroon's Minister of Youth Affairs and Civic Education. During the meeting, he emphasized the importance of strengthening cooperation between these two institutes. Chalili Kisabi gives the echoes.
At the heart of the exchanges, Mamadou Ndo Kamara reaffirmed the importance of volunteering as a lever for development and citizen engagement on a global scale. He expressed his commitments to continue in a close collaboration with the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education, the actions already undertaken in this area.
I have come to renew our availability to the Minister of Youth Affairs and Civic Education on the quality of the partnership that we have had for a very long time since the establishment of a regulatory and legal framework on volunteering in Cameroon, and therefore Cameroon is one of the first countries of volunteering in Central Africa, and it was important for me to come and renew our availability to the minister who has a very good vision of youth orientation in terms of youth, but particularly in terms of volunteering.
Wanting to listen to a pioneering ministry and advanced on the issues, the new head of France Volunteer intends to better orient and popularize existing initiatives for the benefits of Cameroonian youths.
We have indeed come to renew our availability to continue the collaboration and to ensure that we can concretize the orientations that he gives at the level of this department and ensure that we can operationalize all the projects that we have had in common. And so I am delighted to continue this fruitful collaboration under the good direction of the minister.
Minister Mununa Futsu, for this part, reassures his host of the government's constant commitment to the promotion of volunteering. He recalled that it is structured around the National Volunteer Programs, PNV, recognized in 2020, and which aims to integrate young people into development through contractual missions in key sectors such as education, health, agriculture, and civic strengthening. Beyond the PNV, the minister presented the National Program for Civic Education through Moral, Civic, and Entrepreneurial Rearmament, abbreviated PRONEG-REAMOS, a real prerequisite aimed at driving a change to mentality and strengthening the civic participation of young people. It was on a note of satisfaction and renewed partnership that the audience ended, symbolized by a warm handshake between the two officials.
It was a pleasure being your host. Till our next edition, stay tuned and make sure that you are a subscriber to the online television channel MINJEC TV.